Hey Gloria, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to talk about three different items. First item is content. Second item is backlinks and keywords. And the third item of discussion is citations. Now, before I get started, my name is Joshua Gutierrez, and I am with Peterson SEO. And I love doing what I do, helping you crush your goals and guide you to um, wherever you want to be. So, with that, let's get started. So, the first thing that I want to let you know about is there's a few ways that you can be found on Google. So, when you type in restoration Pittsburgh, California, these different companies show up. Now, your companies can be shown up here, and it looks like you guys are already up here. So, that's a very good thing. You can also be found in what's called the organics, which is these top three up here, Restoration, Yelp, and Guild. And so with that, let's get to it. But let's take a note uh, on that. On that note, I just like to say that 70% of your clients will find you here. 30% uh, those clients will find you here. So in a nutshell, that's kind of how that goes. But the first thing I want to talk about is content. Now let's take a peek at your website and see how we're doing in the content way of things. Now when I pull up your website, I see these nice photos up here. I really like that. I really like your about and your drop down menu here, your services tab. I really like your logo. That looks classic. Just kind of scroll down here. If I kind of looked here and kind of see. Oh, I like that picture in the background there. That looks nice. I like how you have your hours and your contact info here. Um, you can really use a form here that you can fill out. That would be really helpful for your business. But from the looks of this, it looks like you have about 300 words or so of content. And what Google really looks for is about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content um, in order for you to rank up there in the top. So that's really what Google looks for. They really love that. Let's kind of look at what your competitors doing, see how they are in content. Now your competitor is on the first slot of the organic section, which is Restoration Cleanup Company. Let's take a quick look and see how they're doing in content. I pull up here. Okay, so this pops out here. They have their logo there. They have their drop downs here. Restoration. Okay, they have some content here. It's a good idea that I don't see in theirs, is that you can actually attach keywords to your content. So you want to attach one at least every 250 keywords or so on the homepage. This one looks pretty good. It looks like they have about 400 or 500. Again, you can definitely beat them in content if we put about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. See, it looks about 500 is what they got. So with that being said, let's move up to topic discussion, which is backlinks and keywords. Now, if we open this tool, it's called Ahrefs, we can plug in any website here, and it's a present a live view of any website. So I put in your company, which is Allteck Restoration, and we're looking at this top column up here, which is the UR and DR. The UR basically shows the strength of your website of a 100-point scale. The DR uh, shows your basically the trust that Google has for your website. So you want to kind of rank high on these. Um, looks like you got 1.72 thousand backlinks, 46 referring domains, and 2 organic keywords. But it looks like you have 0 organics going to your website. So most of everybody that looks for you for business looks for you on your website. So it doesn't look too good on your website, but it does look like you've been around a while. So you got a bunch of backlinks and attached to it, and a lot of them could be that none of them uh, go back. Like when someone searches for you, um, I'm sure you got some that don't need to be there, like for like say Pizza Hut or something like that. So you definitely don't want that in there. Okay, let's look at your competitors real quick, because I also typed theirs in. So it looks like their power is 21 and they have a 4.9 trust, which is a lot less than yours. Um, but let's go ahead and see. 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. Alright, so they got 154 organic keywords, 35 referring domains, 201 backlinks. Now, if you kind of compare these, they have 154 organics, only 35 referring domains. Now, if you take a quick look here, um, they have a lot of organic uh, traffic going from there, backlinks to referring domains to their keywords. So all the keywords that they have on here are mostly organics. Now they have 255 organic traffic, which is pretty good. So they're taking all the leads out there, all the customers um, that look for this type of service that your company offers. So with that not and just so you know, all backlinks are not created equal, so they're not all the same. So with that, that's about all I have for you in that topic of discussion. The third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, citations is over here. If you come up, once you type in uh, a search that a customer is looking for, then you want to end up here, which you clearly are. Now, um, in order to get up here, basically you're doing everything that you're supposed to do. I mean, but this has to be maintained as well. As long as your Google business profile is saved to 100%, and also all your pictures and everything is saved, then uh, you should be good. And then also attaching all the citations that need to be attached to your Google business profile. So what restoration cleanup is doing a little bit more than what you guys are doing. So, but you guys are still in the top 3 up here, so you're doing very well there. But there's always room for improvement. So with that being said, that's about all I have for you. I hope that this information is valuable to you, and it's free information. You can use it as you will. Um, and Gloria, if you feel like reaching out, and this is something that I can help guide you, you can reach out to me. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I am with Peterson SEO. My phone number is 505-331-7995. And if not, you can use this as for your information. No harm, no foul. I mean, it's yours to do with whatever you choose. With that, I hope you have a good day, and thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye now.